Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial I have another Faucet website. You can claim your Faucet every 8 minutes, and this is very easy and free way to earn. And this is the website name is StarBit. This website is long time website. They pay this much Bitcoin from in more than 4 years. This website more than 3 years. This website work this much active users, and this website pay this much Bitcoin, and you can earn free Bitcoin with this website. Pay you 5 Satoshi every 8 minutes. If the Bitcoin price come down, you can claim much more. Okay, and just put your wallet address. If you have Faucet Pay account, you can put your wallet address. If you don't have Faucet Pay account, link in description. Click the link and make a Faucet Pay account for yourself. Okay, click reward. Just fill a capture. This one told me tractor, and fill this little capture too. Okay, this one is a 3, this one is 1, this one is 2, this one is 20. Wait 1 2 and click claim now. Okay, they pay you instantly 5 Satoshi. This is very great website, pay you instantly Satoshi, and you can earn much more Satoshi with this website, and you can make much more. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos, and just comment me any problems you have. Just comment me what you want to learn, and I make that video for you very fast. And thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.